Hi everyone, I'm Ridwan, and in today's video we'll be talking about how to create a simple dashboard, and we'll talk about how to create and organize a dashboard for data presentation. So we'll be using the sample superstore dataset, and I've created some calculated measures, and we'll be displaying some of these KPIs and in a dashboard. So let me start by creating one with a card. So we're doing for the average price. Also do for the average sales per order. Another one is this. So here we have them, and we'll do some other. Let's check for total profit by segment using a pie chart. So let's check the profit each of the segments is giving us. So by segment, here we have it. Let's also do one more visual and check for the profit by ship mode. Let's use the column chart for this profit by ship mode. So let's look for the ship modes and the profit each of them is given. Then let's also look for one more. Let's do two more visuals. Let's use the bar chart to represent, to display the top selling products. Let's use bar chart. So product sales by, okay, let's check the product table. Right, product name. So we can see top selling products. Let's do one more. And let's check for the sales per region, and I'll be using this visual as well. Sales per region. Yeah. So we'll now do some formatting and arrange these visuals. So from here we'll do some formatting. So let me click on the format visuals, general, then I'll add some effect to it. So I'll put a visual border, and the color of this visual border will be this. Then I will also add a background color, and I'll be using this color for the background as well. That's and I'll do the same for others. So having changed the background color for all of them, then we'll have to do some little formatting. Then let's start with this, and also change the background color for the title, and we edit the title as well. So let's just um sales. Now let's call it we'll filter it down. Let's call it um, top sales by product, or top selling product. Yeah, we'll call it top selling products. Then we'll come down and change the background color to be something a bit deeper, and the background text to black as well. So we'll do the same for other visuals. So having changed the background for every other visuals, then we can filter this down to the top top five top five products that are selling. So here we'll come and put five, and here we'll add field we're using to scale it down. So we apply, and here we have the top 5 products by sales. Also, we can further add data labels on each of the columns. So like this, we can now arrange our visuals and make it presentable. So by this, I will try and make each of them look as arranged and assembled together. So having arranged everything like this, then we can now add um, a text box, and we can then put the title for this for our analysis. So for this, we can also, let's first type the, so we call it the superstore analysis by Ridwan OpenTeach. So I can increase the font size to make it a bit bigger. So 20, I can still increase it further to like 32. Then I want it to be in the center, and then something like this. Also, I want to change the background, so we'll come here to effect, then we change the background color as well. Then the font, I think I can go with that font. Also, what else can I do? Okay, maybe I'd like to have this on a different line as well, something like this. So I think that will be it for now. Then I can then add I can then add the logo of my school. So I'll I'll bring in logo by looking for this insert image, and I'll bring in my school logo, and so I can put the school logo here. Then we can also change the canvas color to to give it a background and make everything the same. Then I can as well increase the transparency just like this, and that's it for now. So I can also put background, I will put a boundary for this my text box, and I'll give it a visual background, something like this. So that's the easiest way to to make a dashboard in Power BI. Thank you for this. Thank you for watching.